Evacuated Tube Transport Technology, ET3, is what I'm going to be talking about. Transportation is the master key to survival on this planet. Every transportation advance has increased the global standard of living. So what we're running into is problems with our existing system that depend on fossil fuel that is being burnt faster than it can be dug out of the ground. We are on the verge of a new paradigm shift in the entire global economy when it comes to automating transportation. And it will create advances in the global economy like none other seen. Our global vision is bringing space travel conditions down to Earth in tubes, recreating space travel conditions, where car-sized vehicles are magnetically levitated and they operate in the network of tubes. If everything's built to the same standard in every country, eventually it can be networked together with this global backbone that connects everything across the Bering Strait. Our vision is being able, once this is built, to be able to travel from here to New York in 2 hours, or from here to Paris or London in 2 hours, for about $100 round trip. This is a new form of magnetic levitation called high temperature superconductor maglev. And when it's brought down to liquid nitrogen temperature in the presence of these permanent magnets, it levitates with almost no resistance in the direction that there's no magnetic gradient. One of the biggest things, what's the cost of all this? And that's where ET3 gets really exciting. Because these vehicles only weigh 180 kilograms empty weight to haul the same 360 kilogram load as a typical automobile. So that's why this infrastructure here for ET3 can be built for less than 1/10 of the cost of high-speed rail. And it gets even more exciting because it's automated. We can achieve much, much higher capacities. A pair of tubes 1.5 meters in diameter can carry 10 times as much as a 4-lane freeway. And the capacity scales with design speed. So at a design speed of 500 kilometers per hour or 600 kilometers per hour, the capacity is 10 times greater, but at 6,000 kilometers per hour, it's more than 100 times greater capacity. One container ship, one of those mega container ships, has been said pollutes as much as 50 million cars. If you Google it, they say that only 24 of the mega container ships pollutes as much as the entire global fleet of automobiles. Four-hour delivery time instead of 4-week delivery time. What will that do for the global economy? It's those accelerating effects. ET3 is like a freeway philosophy where you are in control of your path of travel, but you don't have to control the vehicle. It's like an elevator. You push the button for the top floor. If you decide that you want to stop halfway up, you just push that button. Same thing with ET3. It does not interrupt the flow of vehicles when one vehicle wants to leave the system. Unlike high-speed rail, where the whole train has to stop if only 1 or 2 people want to get off. Where are we going to build the first project? We need 5 kilometers to prove everything necessary to network ET3 at design speeds of 600 kilometers per hour. We can build this for about $15 million in the United States, plus land cost and plus right-of-way cost. And so that's another reason why we have adopted an open consortium model, so that governments can get involved and leverage the hundreds of billions, if not trillions of dollars of value that they've already spent taxpayer money on, What we are doing is we are bringing space travel conditions down to Earth so that all of us can enjoy them on a daily basis instead of a few lucky astronauts. Thank you.